Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12th accountancy. IRR Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Just going to explain the income and expenditure account, numericals questions. Today is the last video of this chapter. From tomorrow, I will teach you the partnership. So dear children, you have sent me a lot of problems and we are taking the class from home just using the temporary board. So audio, that is the must for the sake of you. Now question number 38. Following is the receipt and payment account of Chennai Sports Club. It has been done. And fund accounting. Just fund accounting. I would like to tell you additional questions given. Just so how would you deal with the following items in the final accounts of a club? So dear children, you can see the fund accounting in class 12th accountancy. Just in fund accounting, how the funds are shown in the final account of a club. Question number 39. You have sent me the problem. Question number 39. Just the question number 39, that is given prize fund. Credit amount 2 lakhs. Prize fund investment 2 lakhs. Income from prize fund investment 10,000. Prize awarded 7,500. Donation for prize fund 40,000. Now you can see and you can grasp the item that is given through the question, information given in the question. Remember, this one is the particular things. Go through the question properly. You will be able to do the sums. Now, how will you deal with the prize fund? Whatever the items or the information given in the questions, how will you deal with these questions in just bilingual language? I will use, my dear. Now you can see over here, just draw the format of balance sheet this way. Format of balance sheet. Middle of the column, just you can see. This one is the amount column. See over here. Liabilities. Liabilities. Amount. Assets. Amount. Assets amount. This one is the balance sheet. See over here. Its item in liability column, prize fund that is given. So dear children, just you can write this way, prize fund inside of the column. Prize fund See, prize fund. What's the amount? 2 lakhs. That is given 2 lakhs. And whatever the information given, whatever the club received through the specific work of prize fund investment, that is the assets. So you can write over here prize fund investment in assets column. Prize fund investment. Prize fund investment in assets column, that is also given 2 lakhs. Prize fund investment also given 2 lakhs. Now income from prize fund investment, whatever the incomes given, the money invested by the club in other organization for the prize awarded to the programs organized by the organization. So add income from investment plus 10,000 equal to 2,10,000. Just the amount will be 2,10,000. Then donation for prize fund. Whatever the amount received by the club, that is the donation. So remember, my dear children, just you are having the donation, the organization is having the donation from such particular purpose. So add donation for prize. So you can write over here add donation. Donation that is given, whatever the amount, donation for prize fund 40,000. 40,000 plus 40,000 is equal to 2,50,000. You can see 2,50,000. Now watch here, 2,50,000, then less whatever the prizes awarded, means prize distribution ceremony taking place in the club, and this one is being distributed to the parties or to the persons, those who are participating in programs. So what's the amount? So it will be deducted from the prize fund less prize awarded. Prizes awarded. $7,500 minus 7,500. Now see, just we can do over here 509 minus 7 is equal to 2, 4, 2,42,500 in liabilities column. It will be shown, it will be dealt. Just you would deal with the items given or the information given in question number 39, that is items in the final account. Prize fund investment is over here 2 lakhs, assets and then prize fund, whatever the prize fund, just creation of the prize fund of the club, 2 lakhs, these items given. And after that, my dear children, income from investment, whatever the money invested by the club for earning the amount for the prize, that is the special purpose, specific purpose, money invested. So prize fund investment, 2 lakhs given, and then the interest received by the club from the prize fund investment, that is the 10,000. So it will be added in the prize fund. So prize fund added 2,10,000, add income from investment. Then after donation received by the club in NPOs, not for profit making organizations or established for the welfare of the society, just they are promoting cultural activities and other types of the things. Only these are the establishment of the organization for the particular purpose, rendering services to the society, not earning the profit. Remember. So add donation, that is given 40,000, 2,50,000, and less prize awarded, whatever the award are given by the club to the participants, that is 7,500. So it can be lessened, it will be lessened from it will be deducted from the whatever the amount for the prize fund contained by the club. So 7,500, 2,50,000 minus 7,500, 2,40,500. In balance sheet column, liabilities column, this will be shown. And the prize fund investment, whatever the amount invested by the club, my dear children, just this will be in assets. Because of that, only one time the money invested by the club, we can earn many years. That will be the assets of the particular organization for a specific purpose, only for the prize fund. So 2 lakhs rupees invested. So investment, prize fund investment, that will be the assets. So in assets column, it will be posted. This way you can show all the items in balance sheet of the NPOs, not for profit making organization. And the question number 30 that is given, how will you deal prize fund invest? Show how will you deal with the following items while preparing the balance sheet of a club as at 31st March 2018. Match fund, that is given 6 lakh, 8% match fund investments 5 lakhs, interest received on match fund investments 30,000, expenses on matches 20,000, donation for match fund 1,50,000, match prizes awarded 90,000. Now dear children, just you can see how will you deal. So match fund you can write over here just like the prize fund written in liabilities column. Liabilities column, that is written prize fund, just like you can write the. So dear children, you can see, now you can see question number 40, that is given match fund. This way, usi, now bilingual, in Hindi you can see, match fund you can write in liabilities column. Match fund, that is given 6 lakhs. Then match fund investment and interest received on match fund investment 30,000, 8%, 10,000 that is accrued. So add interest received on match fund investment 30,000 plus 10,000. Because of that, the rate of interest that is given match fund investment 8%. Okay, 8%. So now, dear children, 8% match fund investment, 8%, 5 lakhs, 8% that is given. I mean to say, the 40,000, the amount will be the 40,000, but you have received during the assessment year only 30,000, so 10,000 interest accrued. Accrued interest means the amount earned by the club but not received. That is accrued income. So we can add in 6 lakhs 40,000. And match fund investment will be shown in the assets column. Just that is the proper way. Expenses on matches. Expenses on matches can be lessened. Just like the particular things, whatever the expenses occurred during the assessment year, incurred during the assessment year, can be lessened. Because of that, all the expenses related to the match deducted from the match fund. So expenses on match fund will be deducted from 20,000. Donation for match fund will be added in match fund. Because of that, club received the donation. Match prize awarded, also whatever the award given after the match, just 90,000, it will be also deducted, and whatever the amount, remaining amount, will be shown in the amount column of the balance sheet. In fund and the match fund investment 5 lakhs in assets column. अब मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये देखेंगे कि आप इस तरह से जो बनता है, अब हिंदी में हम आपको बता रहे हैं, बाइलिंगुअल है, कि बैलेंस शीट में जो फंड से रिलेटेड जो भी चीज आपको दिया जाता है, वो कैसे हम बैलेंस शीट में शो करते हैं, कैसे दर्शाते हैं। ये देखो, पहला क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 में आपका प्राइस फंड था 2 लाख। प्राइस फंड हमने लिख दिया इनसाइड में, लायबिलिटीज कॉलम में। जो इनकम हुआ इन्वेस्टमेंट से, जो प्राइस फंड के लिए हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया था 10,000, हमने ऐड कर दिया 2,10,000। उसके बाद डोनेशन जो स्पेसिफिक पर्पज के लिए हमने रिसीव किया 40,000, उसको भी ऐड कर दिया। उसके बाद लेस प्राइस अवार्डेड, जो भी प्राइज बच्चों को, जो पार्टिसिपेंट, जो प्रतिभागी थे, उनको दिया गया, लेस करने के बाद हमने अमाउंट कॉलम में 2,42,500 हम शो करेंगे बैलेंस शीट में। हमारा अभी फंड इतना रिमेनिंग है, ये क्लब है। और जो हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट है, इन्वेस्टमेंट का मतलब ये होता है बेटा कि जो हम इन्वेस्ट करते हैं उससे हम कितना कमाए। तो आप देखेंगे प्राइस फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट 2 लाख का, उसे एसेट्स कॉलम में। ठीक उसी तरह से क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 में है, जो मैच फंड है, मैच फंड को लिखे, उससे जितना इनकम होगा उस इनकम को हम ऐड कर देंगे, और उससे रिलेटेड जो खर्च होगा, जैसे मैच एक्सपेंसेस या प्राइज अवार्ड किया मैच के लिए जो प्रतिभागी थे, उन सब चीजों को लेसन करके, इसमें से लेस करके, डिडक्ट करके हम इस कॉलम में दर्शा देंगे। और जो एसेट्स होगा, जो इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, उसे हम आपका एसेट्स कॉलम में दिखाएंगे। उस पर जो इंटरेस्ट हमें मिलेगा, इंटरेस्ट मिल गया है उतना तो हम ऐड कर चुके हैं। और जो एक्रूड है, जैसे 5 लाख है, 8% दिया है, तो पूरे साल का हमारा 40,000 होता है, लेकिन से 30,000 ही क्लब ने रिसीव किया हुआ है, इसलिए 10,000 क्या है बेटा, हमारा एक्रूड इनकम है। तो उस एक्रूड इंटरेस्ट को भी हम एसेट्स कॉलम में दर्शाएंगे जब तक मिलेगा। मतलब ये इनकम हमने कमा लिया है लेकिन से अभी हमें प्राप्त नहीं हुआ है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। नाउ नेक्स्ट चैप्टर फ्रॉम टुमारो आई विल स्टार्ट द पार्टनरशिप। So go through the theory first. Then after you can be able to solve the numericals. Thank you very much.